In this video, I'm showing you guys how you can split some parts of your videos on CapCut if you are doing some editing on CapCut. So splitting is an important feature in CapCut. It's going to help you do a lot of stuff. If you want to cut some parts, you need to split. If you want to reverse, you need to split. If you want to do a lot of things, you need to split. Let me show you guys how to do this. So splitting is Ctrl+B. That's a shortcut to do that. If your keyboard is not working with the Ctrl+B, you don't need to worry. You just need to, put your cursor at the place you want to split. You can see my first split here. So the second one, I put the cursor here and I split. This is the split here. Ctrl+B. I move here and then I split once again. That's my second split, and you can see, let me put my cursor there. You can see I have the split here. Let me try moving it up. You can see that's my portion that I've splitted. That's it on how you can split stuff on CapCut. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.